on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making a deluxe cheeseburger salad. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, Thousand Island dressing, I have my homemade one, 1 cup of croutons, I have the butter and garlic flavor. I have my seasoning mix, it's 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. You want 1/2 a cup of dill pickle chips. I have iceberg lettuce, tomato, and onion. To a heated frying pan, I'm going to add in my ground beef. Now you want to begin to break it down into small pieces. Now you can add in your seasoning mix. Just want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and you want to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease, and you want to sit it in the bowl to the side. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and cut your lettuce and your tomatoes. I cut mine into forks, as you can see, and I slice my onions thinly. So now we're going to assemble our salad. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and put some lettuce onto my plate. I'm going to add some tomato on top. Okay, next is our onions. And guys, you don't have to put onions in yours if you don't want any. Now I'm going to go in with my ground beef. Just go ahead and start sprinkle it over top of your salad. Next, I'm going to add in some pickles. I'm going to put some croutons in. Also going to go back in again with some more ground beef. And lastly, you want to go ahead and add your shredded cheddar cheese. Okay guys, now I'm going to take some of my homemade Thousand Island dressing and just drizzle it over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our deluxe cheeseburger salad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?